Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Heather, and today we are going to be unboxing the new Hyperlite Elevate 22 day pack. So I got this in the medium torso length. I'm right in between sizes, so they recommend to size up. The standard roll down closure. Looks like it has a pretty comfortable hip belt. It does also come with the standard rescue whistle. So they do have some padding here on the back panel that goes into the hip belt. The foam here, I want to say, is 3/4 of an inch. Could be wrong on that one. This hip belt is also removable should you want to remove it for lighter loads or just times where you don't need, that extra support. You've got your standard water bottle pockets and your standard width straps. You do still have a lot of adjustment room here up top. Aluminum G-hooks on 3 of the straps. Standard shock cord here on the front, great for attaching a rain jacket or something a little bulky. And then there's a small Dyneema stretch pocket here on the front. So far, this is looking pretty sweet. For being such a small pack, there is a lot of space in here. So I'm really excited to see how much it's actually gonna fit. First, I'm gonna use this dummy pillow-filled stuff sack from Hyperlite. Now I'm going to throw in a Big Agnes Zoom UL sleeping pad, my ditty bag that weighs about a pound, my poop kit, a rain cover from Dutchware, dehydrated meal. And that's it for the body. I'm sure we could fit a little bit more, but just for today, this is all I'm going to load in for now. And for the ice axe loop, I'm going to use my Hyperlite Gear umbrella. I do think I need to lower this strap. For me personally, I'm going to move it down from where it currently sits. It's a little too close to my neck. Overall, yeah, this is feeling really great. The straps are not too wide, which is typically a problem that I have, or at least a lot of women have on any sort of pack. But for a day pack, this is really, really comfortable so far. It's not digging into my armpits at all or my neck. A lot of times I have straps that end up digging into my neck. So far this is feeling really, really comfortable. Should you be interested in the pouch, I always recommend, if you're right-handed, to put it on your left side. It's a little more comfortable to reach in there. Grab your phone, grab your snack, grab whatever. Overall, this thing is pretty sweet. You could fit more in here. I'll take it outside and do a more thorough review sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. I recommend the new Hyperlite Mountain Gear Elevate 22 pack. This is a much better upgrade from their standard day pack, which I do have, and I will definitely do a video comparing the two. In the meantime, like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer anything you have. We'll see you on the next one.